Are you happy, guy? Layla.
My turn. My turn.
Mr. Sci Guy.
Huh?
Sit up.
Okay. I've been telling you a bunch of times, Layla, to watch out, okay? What are you trying to do?
How's that gonna go on? Are you taking pictures of him?
I'm videotaping him, yeah.
Could you take a videotape of me? Could I have a videotape of me when I'm doing this, like the others?
What's that now?
Could I have a videotape of a video of me?
What are you going to do with it?
A video of me.
What are you going to do with it?
Watched it on television.
Why do you want to watch yourself on television?
Because I do.
Why?
Because I do.
Is that a better show than SpongeBob?
Mhm.
Is it a better show than Snow White?
Mhm.
Why?
Can I have it?
You didn't answer my question.
Yes. Why don't? I'm gonna show my purple ring. Look,
Why are you putting it in your mouth?
so I can show it. Now take a picture of it. How can you take a picture of it?
I am filming you right now.
A picture of Barbies. Look, can you take a pictures of Barbies?
Layla, I'm filming Noah, okay? Layla, stop it. I'm not,
Show my-
oh, big cough. Yeah, really? Really?
It's not getting very light. I can't see myself very well. It isn't getting the color of his pajamas. Who do you see?
That's it? That's it? Look at that happy guy. That's it? Really? Really? No. Now Layla and her Barbies. Wow. This is the most exciting thing I've ever seen on TV. Wow. Well, I've never seen anything like that on TV. A little girl holding up her two dolls. Wow. I'm gonna win an award.
Yes, Mama.
Hey, buddy, buddy, buddy. Hey, look at that. Who's that little guy? That's you. That's you. That's you. Yep. That's the Noah. Noah DeBoa. Can you see that guy? Can you see yourself in the camera?
Noah, no, right there. You's right there. Noah. No,
Yeah.
Noah, Noah, Noah. Noah, Noah, Noah. Noah, Noah.
Do you love Noah? Do you love Noah?
Yes.
Who else do you love?
Jacob. Jacob right there.
That's you.
Yeah. I want to be my own soul. Turn over to my side. Me.
I wonder if I can.
see Layla next to me.
I think I'm trying to zoom in on Cranky Layla. Hold on. There we go. I'm getting Layla's crankiness.
And I see Jacob and Layla and Jacob and Noah. Noah. Corn coming up. Jacob. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mom, I see you. I see you.
Oh, what, I'm not filming you enough?
That's Jacob. Noah. Hey, I don't want pecan. Hey, I don't want pecan for dinner. I love you. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's jump. What's in the door?
No, you guys are getting ready to go. Hey, don't hurt him, Layla.
I'm the winner. I'm the winner. I'm the winner. I'm happy that I can pick up anybody. Even you. Oh, no. Oh, wait. You Layla. Layla. You're in Dago. Autism. 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 Humpty Dumpty sat on Humpty Dumpty sat
What are you doing? Why don't you go tell Uncle Keith something?
Like with Jacob, it was.
1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2. Ooh, you 1 and 2 and a walk shot 2. 1 and 2 and a walk shot 2. 1 and 2, you get it on. 1 and 2, you get it on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. What?
The camera.
Okay. Too stuck.
That would be good.
Yeah, especially it's on our camera. We already had one broken camera on our own.
Then I'm gonna go get my camera filmer. My camera. I know the fun.
I thought you were going to save it and take your pictures of friends at school.
I know the poopy man. The poopy.
No, don't take pictures now like that. That's
It's a waste, Layla.
I like to take a picture.
Layla, it's a waste.
I have to turn. Let me rewind it up. Let me rewind it up.
Joshua.
Give me that. Give me that.
What? What are you doing?
I'm gonna rip your shirt.
Why are you gonna rip my shirt? Don't rip your shirt, Layla. It's not that kind of show, okay? Layla, it's not that kind of show.
Do you know the poopy dad? The poopy dad. Do you know Daddy lives on Daddy Lane? Do you know the poopy man? The poopy man. The poopy man. Do you know the poopy man who lives on Daddy Lane?
Hey, Jacob.
That's a good.
That sounds like a carry sign.
No.
So just stop and tell something and go and just go.
Actually, my camera.
call me today. I told her that the weather's going to be a good idea. I'll crank out a letter. Some more obscure references.
Hey Jacob, look at yourself.
Hilarious.
Who's that?
And Layla has
A
memory.
fire engine.
Like,
Fire engine.
like the first,
Where?
Right there. And I have that? No.
like, here,
Oh, you took a picture of him crying?
I didn't.
Tell him you love each other.
you don't even do it.
I love you.
From here, little.
Tell him again. Give him a hug.
Whenever she's having
Joshua, give him a hug. Joshua, give him a hug.
No.
Yes.
Play around.
Jacob. The mama. That was good.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
Play hide and seek with her. Jacob, pop up. Play hide and seek with her. Get him. Get him. Get Jacob. Get Jacob.
I can't do this.
Joshua, no one can understand anything in your mouth. If you're going to talk, take it out.
I think I wore it, once or twice.
Get him. Get him. Get those boys. Get those boys. Get those boys. Get Jacob. Get Joshua. Get him. Get those boys. You ready to go roughhouse with them? I bet you can take them both. Get them. You can get them. Oh. Oh.